Florida, the first insurance you're likely to encounter in a motor vehicle accident case is PIP, no fault insurance. And what PIP stands for is personal injury protection. You are required by law, if you own a motor vehicle, to have this insurance. Currently, PIP pays 80% of up to $10,000 of your medical bills for accident-related care and 60% of your lost wages. You're also entitled to reimbursement for mileage you incur coming to and from your medical treatment for the accident. For PIP to pay a bill, it must be related to the accident and caused by the accident. And that's where insurance companies come in and contest PIP billing. Understand, as of January 1st, 2012, the PIP laws in Florida are all going to change. And the effect of that change is going to be that most cases, people are only going to get $2,500 in benefits. That's significant because that's $7,500 in bills that are going to go unpaid. And that leads me to bodily injury coverage, BI. What BI is bodily injury liability insurance, and that's the primary insurance responsible for the at-fault party for injuries caused by the accident. In Florida, you are not currently required to carry bodily injury insurance or a minimum amount of bodily injury insurance. That's a huge problem. And the best thing you could do about that is pick up the phone and call your local state House rep and state senator and tell them that we need mandatory BI in the state of Florida. Without BI, the only shot you have of making a recovery is if you have purchased uninsured motorist coverage, UM. And every time you renew your insurance policy, you should talk to your insurance agent about UM and purchasing as much as possible. Caution, most insurance agents tell you that you have full coverage. I cannot tell you how many times clients come in my office, Mr. Gibson, we have full coverage. And when we get their policy, what we find out is they didn't have any BI and they didn't have any UM. And without those two things, you do not have full coverage. You should always purchase UM and purchase as much as you can. What I have found, what a lot of clients that we've given this challenge to have found, is that it's cheaper and a lot cheaper than you think. Again, always buy UM. That can be the only protection you have for accident-related medical bills and debt outside of PIP.